Need to fix iOS 26 spatial wallpaper not working? Then let's get started and fix this issue. The very first thing you want to do is tap and hold this assistive touch, and then click on Restart. Once the device has been restarted, it should fix the issue that you have been facing. Once done, try adding the spatial wallpaper, swipe down the screen, and then tap and hold the screen for once. Click on plus icon at the bottom right corner. Click on Photos at the top left corner of the screen. It will open up your gallery. From your gallery, select any of the photo that you want to add the special effect. Let me move into this one and then select this picture for now. Once you've selected picture, it will be uploaded as your lock screen. Right here you can see that the spatial 3D effect has already been added. If it has not been added, click on this 3-dot icon. And then you need to click on Depth Effect or Extended Wallpaper. Once the depth effect has been added, the special effect will be added on your picture. After that, click on Add at the top right corner and click on Set as Wallpaper. There you can see that spatial wallpaper has been added. If you're still having the issue, then you need to make sure to turn off the Wi-Fi and then turn back on. Make sure you are connected to stable internet connection. After that, try adding the special effect. If not, head over to Settings of a device. Move into General. Scroll all the way down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. In this page, click on Reset at the bottom of the screen and then click on Reset All Settings. Now enter the passcode for your device and then click on Reset All Settings. This should fix the issue that you have been facing and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.